In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge windows to combine tabs in Google Chrome. If you've got multiple Chrome windows open and want everything in one place, this quick method will help you consolidate your tabs without any extra tools. First, make sure both Chrome windows you want to combine are open. It helps to arrange them so you can see both at the same time. You can resize each window and place them side by side, or simply keep one slightly overlapping the other. The key is being able to access the tab strip of both windows, the long bar at the top where your tabs live. Now, in the first window, decide which tabs you want to move. Click once on the first tab in the sequence you're planning to transfer. This single click sets your starting point. You'll see that tab become active, which confirms it's selected. To select everything from that tab through to another tab further along, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click the last tab you want in the group. Chrome will select the entire range between your first and last click. You'll notice a visual highlight across the chosen tabs, so you can confirm you've got the right set. If you clicked the wrong last tab, you can simply Shift-click a different one to adjust the selection. With your tab selected, move your mouse pointer directly over any one of those highlighted tabs. Click and hold, and then begin dragging the group. As you drag, look for a small indicator showing how many tabs are moving, which helps you verify you've grabbed the full selection. Keep holding the mouse button down and move your cursor to the tab bar of the second Chrome window. When your cursor is hovering over the tab bar of the second window, you'll see a placement cue, usually a small line or subtle shift indicating where the tabs will land. Release the mouse button to drop the tabs into that window. They'll arrive in the same order you selected, and they'll sit exactly where you released them, either before or after existing tabs. If the tabs don't move, make sure you're letting go right on the tab bar, not over the page content. It can help to hover for a brief moment until you see the placement cue before releasing. Also remember that the Shift selection works the same way on most systems, and you only need to hold Shift for that second click. And that's it. Open both windows, select your range with Shift, and drag the group onto the second window's tab bar.